What's your musical taste that no one imagines? Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So in this video I'll show you how to do this viral trend right here, so keep on watching. First of all, you have to click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen and search for my account, which is Alien John YTT. And then from my page you have to go to add your sticker at highlights, so it's the first highlight. And here you have to click until you find the desired sticker. So there we have it, it's right here. So from this page you have to click on the add yours button, and if you are not able to click on the add yours button, then you can go ahead and check the first pinned comment, where I already put a link to a video which shows you what to do if you are not able to click on the add yours button. And at the end of this story, once I will do it, I will show you how to go to that link on the Instagram, on my Instagram account, to that tutorial. So let's do the story right now. You have to go to your uploads and choose a background photo for your story. So I will go with this photo. Maybe you can choose what photo you want, it doesn't matter. You can place your sticker where you want, and from here you can go to your stickers from the top of the screen, go to music, and here you can search your music style. So I will go with this song right here. You can place it where you want, make it bigger or smaller, and once you're happy with your story, you just have to share it with your friends. So now let's show you from where you can get that link to, if you are not able to click on the add yours button. Go to super viral at highlights, and here you have to click until you find that story. And here you will only find viral stickers if you want to check these. So there we have it. Not able to click on add yours button, then you can click this link right here. And if you click more, you will find many viral trends and the YouTube tutorial, of course. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.